What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Solana, which has pumped up quite a bit, guys. As you can see, 15% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over $23, guys. And yes, what a day for crypto. We have seen Bitcoin pump up over $30,000 finally, guys, after a very long time. In fact, let's quickly have a look at when it's last was at around 30k. I think it was about a year ago. So let's have a look here. 30,000 was indeed last June. That's when it essentially was trading at $30,000, or even last May, guys. So yeah, approximately a year since it last hit $30,000. Peaked all the way, dropped all the way down to $15,000, and right now slowly starting to pump back up in value. Hopefully we should see a pump up even higher over the coming months as well. But again, the crypto market is up today, especially that Bitcoin has pumped up over $30,000. So anyways, let's focus on Solana, guys. As you can see, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. And again, before I go any further, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just under 3% in the last 24 hours. And yes, Solana is one of the top gainers. As you can see here, in the last hour itself, it has more or less fluctuated. Over the last day, 14% up. Over the week, 11%. Over the month, 30% up. It's been very good. It's been very volatile though. It's been pumping, dropping, so on. It's been up and down all over the place. But overall, it has been moving towards a positive direction, which is good to see. So yeah, so far so good. And again, 2023 so far has been quite of a roller coaster, up and down, but overall it has been moving towards a positive direction, which is all that matters. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 500%, making it $945 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase. We're seeing a lot more people trading the crypto right now, a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. And again, it is one of the top gainers, and the crypto market is up today, so we are going to see way more investors today. But again, today's focus is on Solana. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Solana, which is here in purple at just under $21. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in red at $23.30, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have a mixed signal here. The blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. Essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours from Solana. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Solana to be more or less trading around $24 in value, and again, in between that time is likely to pump up even higher, drop back down in value, up and down, quite volatile. But in the early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Solana to be more or less trading around a $24 mark. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking much more positive. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, going towards a positive direction. So guys, an overall increase in value is what is expected from Solana over the coming week or so. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting Solana to be heading towards the $30 mark. But again, that does not mean it's going to hit $30. Potentially hitting around 24 to 26, sorry, not 24, 26 to $28 is where I'm expecting Solana to be trading at by mid next week. And again, that also doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days from Solana. Of course not. It's likely to take little breaks in between, little dips, red days, green days, up and down, but overall the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Solana over the next 7 to 8 days, hitting around $26 to $28 in value. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Looking much more positive, much more bullish. Again, the blue line is looking quite steep as well, and so is the orange line. So guys, yes, an overall increase in value is again expected from Solana over the coming weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late May 2023, I'm expecting Solana to be heading up to around $45 to $50. Yes, it may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment, but if the crypto market does manage to stay on the green side, and especially if Bitcoin manages to head up to 35-40k, we are going to see major increases in the crypto market, including Solana. So guys, at the moment, around $45 to $50 is what I'm expecting by the end of May 2023. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs. For example, if there's any major collaborations or major news that come across that can have a major positive or negative impact on the value of Solana or Bitcoin, anything like that, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far, so good for Solana for the long term and the short term as well. But again, as you guys know me, if you have been following me for a while, I am into crypto for the long term, and yes, I have invested into Solana, but at the moment I'm just holding on to it. And yes, I know a lot of people are going to buy into it right now, especially that it's pumping. But what I would say is, you guys who are short-term traders, make sure you have your risk management on point, as it could be very risky. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, yes, it's pumped up 15%. However, it is likely to start dropping back down in value over the coming hours before it starts to pump back up again towards the very end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. So yes, guys, dips are always part of the process, so make sure you have that in mind as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Solana, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section below, when are you guys expecting Solana to be hitting $50? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Personally, guys, $50 should be hit by mid to late May 2023, depending on how the crypto market performs. But again, any changes, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. And if you guys want regular updates on Solana, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys as well. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.